Yo, good morning. It's been a crazy morning. I just got here to the Rose Bowl. It's been about an hour. We got here at like 5. Finally set up. Oh, little hanger right there. But yeah, the booth is all set up. I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I got in here, but looking good. I actually already made a good amount of sales. I think I sold like 4 or 5 things in like the first hour, but I was doing too much, so I didn't have time to record it. But it's gonna be a good day. I need to get some food in my body, drink some water, and let's get this day started. Let's go. What's good, homie?
What's up, man?
And with the 85s on. Let's go, bro.
What up, Papa? Yo, what is up? It's your boy back in the vlogs. Aaron set up, bro. I don't even know what to say.
Bless you, bro. What we doing?
Thinking.
Thinking. Let me know, dog. The homie Mata is looking at the...
What are you thinking? Oh,
Mustangs?
Walnut.
Is that really an old Mustang set?
Yeah, it's an old little...
What are you going for all of it?
Go ahead, introduce yourself. What's good, bro?
What's up, man? My name is Brandon.
Look what he just caught.
I got 2 pairs of dunks. And
Y'all need to pull up. Tell them the steals I just gave you,
He
bro.
hooked me up with these, bro. Steals, giving out
50,
fat steals.
60, and 20 for the bootleg Mickey Nike.
Yep,
Appreciate you, bro.
no problem.
Yo, what's good, guys? I'm actually gonna go walk around a little bit. I'm gonna see if I could get some steals. About to cop this right here. Another Ed Hardy hoodie. Doesn't have the size, but I'd say this is like a large. This one's fire. It's got the flames on it, and then the back is crazy. For 40. Got the booth popping. Made a couple more sales. Here, take it.
I'll take it, yes sir. 15 right here.
The homie just caught the Polo Sport at 15. Appreciate you, bro.
Thought we tripping.
Alright, Doc. Yes, sir. Homie pulled up. He's copping the Bruce Lee, the Zion tag. Appreciate you, man.
Of course.
Appreciate it. You take it easy.
Alright, you too, thank you.
The homie just copped the... Is it 96?
Yeah, the 96 Camp Woodlawn
Yeah.
and the kid's hat. Pretty fire.
Alright, bro. Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. What was your name, bro?
Royce.
Royce. Alright, nice to meet you. Homie came, pulled up, and copped
Little jazz.
the orchestra one, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
Smithsonian jazz.
Hard. Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. Thank you.
The homie pulled up and copped the zip up babe hoodie. Appreciate it, bro. Oh, and he got the babe tee on. Right, he's also gonna take the... You need change?
Oh yeah.
For sure.
There you go.
The 2 CDG long sleeve. Homegirl came through and copped the Versace's. So far. And then the USA flag Polo Country. Appreciate you. Yo, what's good, guys? I finally take a breath, take a breather. It's hot, man. It's like super hot. It's been going well. Your boy's doing pretty good today. It's like 1:30 right now, so we got about like an hour and a half left before we have to take everything down. But yeah, sales have been good. Appreciate everyone who pulled up. I was handing out my my Flea Pop cards. I don't know where I put them. Hold up. These right here, the Flea Pop business cards. Just to kind of spread the word about the flea market, because obviously my 4th one is going down next Sunday. So I have this week, and then next week it's a lot. But it's good. We're gonna have like 43 vendors at the next Flea Pop. So if you're in the area, if you're coming down, please pull up. It's gonna be good. But yeah, just gonna chill for the rest of the time I'm here. Hopefully make a couple more sales. But we're chilling, trying to stay in the shade. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, it's hot. Homie's copping the New Balances, made in USA. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you.
Sir. Homie just copped the Susie.
Call the Stussy, bro. Come up, man. Steals.
Alright. Appreciate it, dog. Yes, sir. Copping the Florida Marlins. Flip it around. Crispy. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Homie, cash me out.
Yes, sir.
He caught all these Nike windbreakers, 4 of them, and then sadly took all my Ed Hardy hoodies.
Dude, literally
It's
just bought
okay.
this one, bro.
I know. This
one's fire.
This one's crazy, bro. This one's hard. Good shot. Appreciate you, dog. Yes, sir. Does your shop have an Instagram?
Yeah.
Go ahead, bro.
Day-to-day vintage on Instagram.
Sure. The homie came through. He took the Universal Back to the Future. Crazy brim. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir.
Have a good one.
Homie pulled up, copping the Dream Team Charles Barkley. Appreciate you, bro. He's copping the Utah Jazz
Yeah, man.
champion. Thank you, bro.
Hey,
Fire.
thank you.
Homie just pulled up and copped the big check Nike. Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Pulled up and copped the Bulls starter tee. Thank you, bro. The Supremes going to the neighbor vendor. Thank you. The Zebras. Yes, sir. Yo, your boy is like not super thirsty, but I know my water was not gonna last because all I had was this left. And we got like an hour and a half. That lady over there had a cooler. And I was like, yo, I'm gonna pull up and see if she'll sell me some water or like a drink, right? Because they're taxing here like $5 for water. Your boy's not gonna pay that. So they had the ice chest and everything. You could hear the ice all cold. I was gonna pay her ice cold water and the vitamin water. She just blessed me for free. Real one. Nah, it should be good. The package is safe. It got here. It took 2 more days than he said, but I'm obviously still super hyped and excited that it's here. This has to be, okay, let me just tell you what happened. So basically I was home. I was chilling, and if you know me, you know that I snipe on eBay all the time. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'm always posting my snipes that I get for steals on eBay. So I was chilling right here on the couch, refresh my eBay feed, and I see this tee, and I'm like, nah, that's gotta be a bid, like a starting bid, right? I click it, it says buy it now or best offer. I'm like, what? So I do my quick little check through the photos, make sure everything's legit. I go to his items and just see what kind of stuff he sells. This guy had no idea what this was, 100%. If you know what this shirt goes for, then you know. I'm not gonna tell you what it goes for, but it's crazy. But yeah, I was sitting here, I saw it, I was like, yo, please, 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 don't go away, don't go away. So I was typing in all my information. I'm like, yo, don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up. Typed in everything and said your order's in, and I was like, let's go. So it's here. Dude, I probably told like a good amount of people, maybe like 5 or 6 people about it. But I kind of kept quiet about it because I wanted to make sure, and I didn't want to jinx it before actually having it in hand. But now that it's here, obviously I can talk about it. So gotta be careful with this knife because I don't want to cut the shirt. Like, I haven't done an unboxing for you in a minute. Oh my god, y'all have no idea how hyped I am. This is definitely staying in the personal. Not gonna be for sale. It is my size XL. So here we go. Imagine it's like something random, like not even the shirt that I ordered. From the reviews I saw, I guess this guy packs his stuff really well. Oh my god, dude, he double taped the inside. Okay. Hella good boxing. He tapes the inside too so it doesn't open. Okay, got the blue paper. Oh, woo! Alright, got the little blue. You want to keep these on? The paper? Dallas Mavericks? Oh my god! Alright, let me just throw the box over there. Oh my god, it's faded so perfectly. It's on the Delta Pro Weight Delta tag. Oh my god. Dude. If you guys know, this is the Kobe I'm Innocent tee. See the back, it says Kobe, not guilty. And it's him right there, like paparazzi style picture, and it says support Kobe, I'm innocent. Basically, it's when he had that that case going on about the whole Colorado thing. I don't need to get into detail about that. If you know, you know. But this is a banger. Oh my god, this is staying in the personal. Look at that. It's gonna be super flowy on body, perfect fit, dude. I cannot wait to post this on IG. It's gonna go crazy. Oh my god, I actually didn't even tell you guys. Wait, did I tell you guys how much I got it for? Well, anyways, basically I paid $50. 50. This goes for like over one, for sure. So, if you guys know what this goes for, this is crazy. And it's a size XL. That fade is so perfect. Oh my god. I gotta post this on I gotta post this on IG. Let's go. Yo. What's good, guys? That's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow, if you don't know, is the 4th Flea Pop event. It's gonna be in the same location, so if you want to know where it's at, just follow the Instagram. It's down below. Yeah, it's gonna be the 4th one. It's gonna be crazy. This time I actually have 43, potentially 44 vendors. The last one I had, so from the first one it was like 34, 35, 37, and then this one's 43. So it's growing and it's going really, really well. I'm excited for tomorrow. It's been a busy day setting up, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Peace.